Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do when your fingerprint sensor on your Redmi Note 7 Pro isn't working properly. Okay, so let's begin. First, let's simply flip our phone and let's clear our sensor. It's located right in here, as you can see on my case. I have a lot of fingerprint and dirty marks, so simply clean it up. Same thing with the sensor. Do it gently because we don't want to damage our sensor. Okay, now it should be fine. Now let's flip the phone, and sometimes even that simple thing can help. So now I'll place my finger, and as you can see, the phone unlocked. The second thing is simply registering your fingerprint. Open up the password and security, hit the fingerprint. First you need to also draw your pattern or type your password, and now let's simply remove our fingerprint and let's add it again. So simply click on add, draw your pattern to confirm, and now let's place our fingerprint on the sensor. So now simply place your finger on the sensor, then lift it up when you feel a vibration, and then place again. Simply repeat that process until your fingerprint gets saved. Just like that, added successfully. Click on done. Now let's take a look how it works. I'll place my finger on the back, and as you can see, the phone unlocked. Okay, also you can simply take a look in the settings. Do you have some software updates? If there are some, they'll appear right in here on the top of the screen. And if you don't have the latest version, simply install the update. As a last thing, you can also restart your device, hit on reboot, hit again. Also, thanks to that, the sensor will be restarted and it might start working properly. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.